morning. Welcome to Walking in Circles with Heidi Gammill, aka Nest Pretty. Nest Pretty is about making small choices every day that add up to a beautiful life. And Walking in Circles is about the same thing, about really focusing on a goal and breaking down the goal into the small steps that are needed to get there. So it's spring cleaning time for me in the Nest Pretty world, and I love to use daylight savings time as a reminder to get a few things done. So I change batteries in the smoke detectors, also in anything in the house that needs batteries, at least check them. I also do a light bulb audit, make sure everything's working properly. What are those called? Fire extinguishers. Do a little check, make sure it's still charged. And then I love to refresh the bedding, to do a little mattress flip, and then to clean all the bedding that I don't do every week. So we're talking mattress pads, blankets, comforters, pillows, pillow protectors. Now, if you have a lot of beds, you might want to take it to the laundromat. We have a couple here or there that they will wash it and fold it for you, which is really nice. It's a little investment. However, it saves you lots of time. If you don't have that many beds, then just, use your own washer. And I just love to use daylight savings time as a reminder to get these big things done. And then it feels so good. So, like my post the other day says, don't get overwhelmed by these things. Just figure out what the next step is. I do have a master checklist that I use to, it's basically property management. If you have a home, then you have to manage it. You have to maintain it. It's your biggest investment. Even if you're renting, which we are renting right now, all of the items inside of the home are our investment. So you want to take really good care of it. Also, keep your house clean so that you're healthy. All of those things are really important. So I do use a checklist that reminds me. I also put these reminders in my phone to come up as events with a little alert. That way, if I don't look at my master list, at least it comes up in my phone and reminds me. So there's that as well. So basically, I got a lot of stuff done this weekend. And it feels really good. So I'm excited about Monday morning. It's a little chilly here in Florida, so my eyes are watering. But I just wanted to encourage you to use daylight savings time as a reminder to get these things done that you don't think about on a regular basis. And it just feels really good. I know a couple of months ago we were having this conversation with some girls, and the thought of changing the battery in the smoke detectors hadn't crossed their mind ever. So that's just a really good safety thing to have in mind to get done, and use daylight savings time as a reminder to do it. So this is Heidi with Nest Pretty, and I'm here to encourage you to use daylight savings time as a reminder. It may be something else that you need to get done every year. Mammogram, all those things. That could be a good thing to put on the repeat. Whatever it is that every year you're like, oh man, I need to do that. Just use daylight savings time as a reminder. That's what I like to do. I hope you have a fantastic day. I hope that you enjoy the sunshine, and I hope that we talk soon. Bye.